we are really excited because this is our very first video. You know, walks are like the bridge we use to big sentence.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Without inner word, it is hard to say what we want to say. So let's learn vocabulary together to get better at talking and understanding. I'm Jade.
And I'm Kevin. So today we are going to learn about two cool words.
Appetite
And sulk.
So at first, let me share you what does appetite means and how can we use it. Appetite, it refers to your desire or hunger for food. It is like the feeling we experience when you want to eat something. So let me give you an example. When I was unwell, I had no appetite to eat any food. In a simple way that me, when I was sick, I have no desire to eat whatever. Don't forget that appetite doesn't only refer to video game, it can also be used in broader way to describe how much you enjoy something or how much you have strong interest in something if it is not related to food. For instance, he has a big appetite for video game. He loves playing them every chance he gets. It is the same meaning as the sentence. He really likes video game. He enjoys playing them whenever he can.
Now it's time to say sulk, which means to be in a bad mood or act unhappy, without explaining why, often by being quiet and moody. So, to be clear, let me give you two sort of examples. The first one is that she started to notice when her friends made plans without inviting her. She started notice when her friends made plans without inviting her. The second one is that Jane noted her boyfriend sulking after they had an argument about their weekend plans.
Remember, appetite is not just wanting food, it is when you really want something like food or even video games.
And sulk is when someone feels sad and grumpy, maybe because they weren't invited or after a little argument.
Now you know this cool word better. Keep practicing and soon you will be word expert. Thanks for joining us on our very first video.
Wait a minute, don't forget like and subscribe and share our YouTube video.
We will see you in next video. Bye
bye.